Hello, I'm Michelle,
I'm Hector from the Creator Lab.
and we're unboxing this fabulous donation from Triad Magnetics, and we're going to see what's inside. You want to open it, Hector?
All right.
Bubble wrap. Never have too much bubble wrap. This must be, are these the kits? Oh, these are kits, look. These are the conductor kits. I think the students will have fun figuring out what these even are. Maybe we'll have a contest. That will be fun.
We think of some uses for them.
Yeah. And these are, I think, these are the awesome, oh my gosh, and there's a ton of them. These are the power supplies for the Arduinos.
Oh, wow. Yeah, our students are going to be able to power their stuff with them.
Yeah.
Now, so.
And not have to be attached to the laptop anymore, or we wouldn't have to buy like a million batteries for them to be able to unplug. Very cool.
Well, there's so many.
I know, look, it just keeps going. Or we'll just show the whole box so they can see. There's a whole lot of these. I think there's like 40 or something in there. Thank you, Triad Magnetics. This is gonna be great.